One step number 3 is our skip in side kick one step. First thing we're going to do is step back with our right leg into a fighting stance. So our feet need to be in the same line. Our front arm's going to be down, back arm is going to be up. We're going to slide the back foot to the front foot, and we're going to lift this front leg up, that left leg, lift it up, side kick, bring it back down, set down, closest arm, backhand. We're going to have this hikite ready. We're going to block the head, reverse punch, and follow it up with another backhand. Good. And again, we will key on that last backhand. So let's do that again. Step back with your right. Skip in. Side kick. Backhand. Reverse punch. Backhand. Hey! Good. And I'll let you see it from this view as well. I'll do it full power for you. Oh! Good. And then at the end of every one step, we want to make sure we go back to our ready position. Good job.